Ready to transform your print-on-demand store from bland to grand? First, head over to the Shopify theme store. The key is to use the search bar and filters effectively. Look for themes that emphasize visual appeal and offer robust customization options. Now let's talk about themes for impactful visuals. Consider a theme like Refresh. Its clean layout and large product image areas are perfect for showcasing your unique designs. Next up, Prestige. If your store has a lot of products, Prestige's advanced filtering options make it easy for customers to find exactly what they want. Don't underestimate the power of customization. Choose a theme that allows you to easily change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity. Mobile optimization is crucial. Ensure your chosen theme looks great on all devices. A responsive design guarantees a smooth shopping experience for everyone. Look for themes with built-in marketing features like email sign-up forms or promotional banners to help boost sales. Finally, prioritize themes that make it easy to display customer reviews and testimonials. Social proof is incredibly powerful. So, ditch the dull and choose a theme that elevates your brand and converts browsers into buyers. Now go forth and create a stunning print-on-demand empire.